Most jurisdictions, including New South Wales, Australia, have strict laws and regulations that prohibit passengers from being transported inside towed caravans. These regulations are there to keep safety requirements and avoid crashes on the roads. In New South Wales, Australia, it is explicitly stated in the Road Transport Vehicle Registration Regulation 2017 that passengers are not permitted to ride in caravans while they are being towed. If passengers need to take a trip with the caravan, they should do so in the towing vehicle or make alternative plans for transportation. It is unsafe and illegal to ride inside the caravan while it is being towed. In New South Wales, Australia, traffic legislations strictly forbid the act of towing a caravan with occupants inside. This regulation is put in place to make sure the safety of both the occupants and other road users. Towing a caravan with people inside presents numerous hazards and risks. Safety preventative measures must be complied with when pulling a caravan to shield people from harm. It is absolutely restricted to have a person inside a caravan while it is being pulled. This safety measure is implemented to lower the risks of crashes, injuries, and even casualties. For an example, if a caravan with an individual inside were to instantly stop or swerve to avoid an obstacle, the person inside would be in serious danger because of the absence of safety restraints such as seatbelts. Safety standards. Caravans are designed and equipped to provide accommodation and amenities while stationary, not during transit. They lack the essential safety features such as seatbelts to safeguard owners in case of an accident or unexpected stop. Penalties for non-compliance. Violating laws and regulations regarding the transportation of people in towed caravans can result in significant charges, penalties, or legal consequences. It's vital for drivers to adhere to these rules to ensure the safety of all road users. In summary, the correct answer emphasizes the relevance of sticking to safety guidelines and legal requirement by prohibiting the transportation of guests inside towed caravans. This rule exists to protect the well-being of passengers and stop accidents when driving. It is essential for drivers to comply to these regulations and prioritize safety at all times when towing caravans or trailers.